How to use parental controls in Zoom app. Well, to use parental controls in Zoom app, you want to create a dedicated child's account for more privacy settings. So if you are on the login page of Zoom, right? If you're on the login page or creating account page, then what it does is here. So let me sign out here and sign in real quick. I'll show you. Sign up free. And you can verify your birth here, continue. And now you can choose what account do you wish to log in with, and once you choose the account, it'll give you the prompt that says, it'll give you a checkbox, it'll give you a mark here. So let me select Google and let me select my account so that I can show it to you here. It'll ask you to choose whether you are creating account for some children or students and such. You can see for educators, check here if you're signing up on behalf of school or organization that provides educational services to children under the age of 18. You can create that account and you can use parental controls. You can create a dedicated child's account for more privacy settings and use in-meeting controls like locking the meeting and enabling the waiting room for security as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.